Hey friends, if you have a domain hosted on Squarespace and you want to be able to forward emails, I'm going to show you how to do that now. I honestly don't really use this feature. I understand the feature. I've set it up for clients, but I'm going to show you how to do it right now. We'll go from beginning to end so you can get it set up in just a few minutes. First and foremost, just go to squarespace.com and then log in or click on your little icon here and hit Account Dashboard. Once you do that, it'll take you to your dashboard of your websites, but you'll want to click on Domains. From there, you'll then want to go to the domain that you want to set up the email forwarding, and you'll click on that, and then you'll click on Email. Then here you'll see Email Forwarding, and you'll click here, Add Rule, and this is where you'll set it up. So you'll see the instructions here. It says, add or edit the email aliases you'd like to forward to a different email. Any messages sent to this alias will be received by the email you forward to. So for example, if I wanted to do hello, and then I wanted to forward it to another email, let's just say it's my personal email, I could do that, boom, just like that, hit save. So now the status is pending. It is figuring out the details, but it does need to verify. All right, so I got this email here, action required, verify your email forwarding address, and this is verified through the email you're forwarding to. All right, so here I'm going to hit verify email, and you'll see just like that, email is successfully verified, return to account dashboard. But I'm just going to go back here. I'm going to refresh this page. Okay, so as you can see here, this is all set up, and you can see here you already have email forwarding rules. Adding a Google Workspace can be helpful. Is only available if you do not have any of these, but basically this is now set up. Now, it may not work right away. It may take a bit of time for the DNS records to populate and work properly. So I think they suggest 24 to 48 hours, maybe even 72 hours. So once you get this set up, this is where you just trust that it's working, and you walk away and come back to it a day or two later, give it a test, see how it goes, and then go from there. What they'll do on the back end is they will add some DNS or some MX and TX records, as you can see here, TXT records, as you can see here. This is for the forwarding. And so in this case, you just want to leave it. That's it. You just want to leave it, let it do its work for 24 to 48 hours, test the email, and then go from there.